Hello everyone, how are you? We know it's very difficult to choose the best product for a home according to our budget. Don't worry, to make your purchase decision easier and save you time, in today's video we picked only the finest items for you. We make this list based on features, price and actual user reviews. So if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you're buying the best product. Please check the description below for product links and updated prices. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So, let's go for top 5.
Our first pick is Aero Garden Harvest with Gourmet Herb. Aero Garden Harvest is the most popular model by Aero Garden, which is the brand leader in the indoor hydroponic garden space. An Aero Garden Harvest is an indoor gardening system that utilizes the hydroponic system to replace soil with water as the growing medium. The Harvest model is a mid-sized, space-efficient model that can easily fit on top of your kitchen counter and can grow up to 6 plants, including fresh herbs and lettuce. Its automatic timer ensures that the lights turn on and off at the correct times, and the simple backlit buttons remind you to add water and plant food. The integrated water pump aerates the nutrient solution continuously and maintains the amount of root moisture required to keep your plants growing. Number 2 in this best indoor hydroponic garden list is LetPot Smart Hydroponics Growing System. With LetPot exclusive app assistant, you can easily set up your hydroponics growing system by your phone and control your smart garden anywhere, anytime. Unlike the other fixed LED time devices, LPHSE supports 0 to 24 hours flexible LED time set up to meet the different needs of the plants. It will also remind you when there is lack of water. LetPot Smart Hydroponics Garden features 100% real 24-watt effective full-spectrum lamps, including white, blue and red LED lights. Simulate the sunlight spectrum, promoting plants' photosynthesis in any weather. There are no seasonal limitations for your plants. With high-strength stainless steel surface, durable and classic Smart Herb Garden is always a perfect decoration for kitchen, living room and any decoration style. Double-layer design, the inner wall is made of eco-resin without BPA, and the outer wall is made of stainless steel, which is easier to clean and maintain. Our third choice is a Hope Garden Hydroponic Growing System. This smart hydroponic planter is easy to get started. Simply add the seeds, fill the water reservoir, add plant food, and wait for your garden to grow. No soil or gardening tools required. It's amazing how fast the plants grow in this LED plant growth lamp. Everything sprouted quickly and then grew amazingly fast. The LED light head of this indoor hydroponic garden system is adjustable for height, so you can keep the plants not too close to the light. Indoor gardens are perfect additions to virtually any space, especially for those who love cooking with fresh herbs or want juicy cherry tomatoes in the winter. Our hydroponics growing system has a water pump to promote water circulation and increase oxygen to help grow healthy plants. There are 2 hidden handles under the water tank of this indoor garden, which makes this home planter easy to move. Fourth pick in this best indoor hydroponic garden list is Mufka Herb Hydroponics Growing System. The height of the lighting part can be adjusted for veggies at different growth stages, helping veggies absorb energy from LED lights and promoting growth. Independent water pump forms a water circulation system, increasing the oxygen. The 24 watts LED lights of the hydroponics growing system simulate the sunlight spectrum. Stimulate your plants to grow faster in any weather and season 5 times faster than in soil. Gardening gifts for women, mom. Brighten up your kitchen by cultivating plants both decorative and practical. It can grow up to 12 of your favorite herbs, veggies, or flowers indoors including basil, tomatoes, pepper, lettuce etc. Even in cold winter. Fully control over the weather all year round. Grow 12 plants at a time. Smart soil sponge pods help plants take root and absorb water. For details, let's watch more. Our fifth and last choice is Rise Garden's hydroponics growing system. With the app-controlled self-watering and light system, you're free to leave the house days at a time and not worry about your plants dying with this smart garden. No green thumb required, the app will notify you when nutrients are needed. Your culinary dreams will come true with your new hydroponic indoor smart garden, where you can grow anything from fresh herbs and greens to crisp vegetables without using pesticides or worrying about bugs like traditional outdoor gardening. This hydroponic system Grow Light is a custom LED panel that mimics the sun and provides the broad spectrum of light plants need to grow, so you get all the benefits of the sun without the harm. No need for a yard or large balcony to grow your dream garden. At just 18 inches, the indoor garden kit is perfect for even the smallest spaces and can be used as a countertop garden.